10 science facts that sound fake, but are 100% true. Fact 1. What if I told you that hot water can freeze faster than cold? Sounds impossible, right? It's called the Mpemba effect. Under certain conditions, hot water evaporates faster, loses mass, and cools down more quickly. Theories also suggest that faster convection currents help it lose heat, but scientists still debate exactly why this happens. Have you ever seen hot water freeze faster than cold? Share your crazy science moments in the comments. Fact 2. Did you know that bananas are radioactive? Yep, the fruit you eat almost every day. Bananas contain potassium-40, a naturally occurring isotope that emits radiation. Don't worry though, you'd need to eat millions of bananas in one sitting to be at risk. But technically, every banana has a tiny bit of radioactivity. So, would you dare to eat 10,000 bananas at once? Fact 3. You've probably heard there are more stars in the galaxy than trees on Earth. But it's actually the opposite. NASA estimates there are around 100 to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way. But Earth has over 3 trillion trees. That's about 400 trees for every human alive. Did you ever think Earth was greener than the galaxy? Fact 4. 3 hearts. Blue blood. Aliens? No, just your average octopus. Octopuses have 3 hearts, 2 for pumping blood to the gills, and 1 for the rest of the body. Their blood is blue because it's copper-based, not iron like ours, helping them survive in deep, cold waters. If you had 3 hearts, how would life feel different? Fact 5. You might feel clean, but your body is constantly shedding millions of skin cells every single day. On average, humans shed about 500 million skin cells every 24 hours. Most of it becomes common household dust. In fact, a big part of the dust in your home is you. Still think your room is clean? Would you ever see dust the same way again? Fact 6. What does space smell like? You won't believe it. Astronauts say it smells like burnt steak. After spacewalks, they reported a lingering scent on their suits, like seared meat, welding fumes, or gunpowder. This smell comes from high-energy particles left over from dying stars, floating in the vacuum of space. If you could take a deep breath in space, what do you think it would smell like? Fact 7. Which came first, sharks or trees? If you guessed trees, you're wrong. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years. 50 million years before the first trees ever grew. They've survived 5 mass extinctions and remain some of the most efficient predators on Earth. Does this make sharks cooler or scarier? Fact 8. You and a banana might be distant relatives. Sounds crazy, right? Humans share around 60% of their DNA with bananas. That's because all life on Earth, plants, animals, even fungi, share a common genetic foundation. So, does that make banana bread a family reunion? Fact 9. What if I told you water can boil and freeze at the exact same time? It's called the triple point, a unique temperature and pressure where water exists as a gas, liquid, and solid all at once. Scientists can create this state in labs by adjusting conditions just right. If you could witness this with your own eyes, what would you do? Fact 10. What if I told you you're literally made of stardust? The elements in your body, like carbon, oxygen, and iron, were born in the hearts of stars. When those stars exploded in supernovae, they scattered those elements across the galaxy, eventually becoming part of you. How does it feel to know you carry pieces of ancient stars inside you? Closing call to action. Which of these facts blew your mind the most? Have you ever heard a science fact even stranger than these? Drop your thoughts and wildest discoveries in the comments. I'd love to read them. And hey, if your brain feels upgraded after this video, don't forget to let me know below.